Let me show you how to make the most succulent soy sauce chicken with just your rice cooker. No water, no smoke, no chef's kiss required. Start by lining the pot with scallions and ginger. Take your whole chicken, yes, whole. Blanch the skin briefly for that perfect texture. Now the game changer, a sauce of 2 spoons of light wine, 1 spoon of dark wine, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, a pinch of sugar, and that secret weapon is 1 spoon of salt baked chicken powder. Massage it like it's a spa day for poultry. Hit the cook button and let the machine work. Once that lid lifts, you are hit with an aroma that will make your needs weak. The chicken fell off the bone tender, glistening with that glossy, finger-licking sauce. Spread it right over the residues juice. This isn't just food, it's edible hyponics. This method locks in every drop of moisture while caramelizing the skin to sticky perfection. The rice cooker's seed environment is the unsung hero here. No babysitting, no flare ups, just golden, juicy results every time.